Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to s ln x. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to, we do first derivative of s ln s. Later that we do first derivative of ln s multiplied by s. So we just apply about the product rule of derivative. This one you got about 1, so you got about ln s. This one you got about 1 over s, and 1 over s with s you got about 1. So this one we change for u and you got about u square. Similar for this one, 1 plus ln s ds we change for du. Next, we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. So this one divide by this one. So you got about 1. And you got about 1 over 1 plus u square. And we got the final answer. The integral of number 1 you got about u. The integral of this one you got about arctan of u. And we put about c, that's about the constant. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.